What do I mean by visual? According to Google statistics, as many others, you only have 4 to 8 seconds to grab the attention of a website visitor, whether it is to your website, to your search engine, or Facebook, or whatever the case might be. So proper placement of images and videos are working amazingly good, bringing you business without having to pay for pay-per-click or without having to pay for a space to advertise in Facebook. I'll show you real simple. Now they allow you to have a video at the top of your page, your business page in Facebook, other than the static image that you had before that didn't say or convey any kind of message. If a video is placed there, as well as the image, with a story about the description of your business, and of course adding on a regular basis, good images and good videos. Okay, the results are amazing. Okay. I'll show you. When they find you in Google, the main page right here for North Houston Beamer, okay, this is the knowledge panel that comes from your Google My Business page, which also connects to the Google Map directory, which 88% of the people are using to find different businesses. Okay, it shows your reviews, it shows all the information linked to your website, and a video that we just added 3 days ago, okay, posting a review, it came up right there and it stays there, okay, until you post the next one. Let's take a look at the review video.
With your vehicle in the market for repairs, well, you've come to the right place. Just look at what our customers are saying about us.
They can actually read your good reviews, and we add 1 or 2 of these, or actually one of the review videos a month, and another advertising
Contact
video
us
as
today.
a post that I will show
hearing
you
from
shortly.
you.
Now, when you go to your Google My Business page, if it has been properly optimized and photos and videos have been added to it, the results are really something else. Okay. First of all, they have enhanced the Google My Business page just as good as analytics or Google pay-per-click, but you're not paying per clicks. Okay, you're not paying anything at all. This is free from Google, providing you use it properly, posting videos and images. Okay, so they give you all the keywords that they found you by. Okay, in this case, 381 keywords queries. Okay, in 1 month. This is all 1 month results. Okay, so in this particular case, customers that find you directly searching for your business name or address, 464 from the Google My Business page, Google Map directory. They give you all kinds of statistics, detail, but the most important ones, 84 visited your website, 85 requested directions, 97 call you. These are free calls, no pay-per-click, no nothing. This is all because they found you through your Google My Business page. It even shows you the areas that they are finding you from or calling you from. It gives you a breakdown, okay, of all the calls you receive in 1 month. Plus, it tells you how you're doing with your picture, okay? So you got to add pictures and videos as much as you can. It also allows you, like in Facebook, to go ahead and do a post, which in this case, this is the one that we posted a couple of days ago, which is the same one that I just showed you on the front page in the Google My Business, in the front page of Google, okay? Now, that's a detailed explanation. Let me show you some other results. Automotive excellence in Northern California. Same case scenario, a video up on top, the full story with an image, and we keep on adding different videos, okay? Like on this one, by instance, this one is for a summer special discounts that they offer in different things. And it stays at the top of a Facebook page because we pin it to the top. And this was posted July 10, and we're talking about now the end of July, and still there, right at the top, okay? So That's quite effective. Now, going over to Google My Business. Here we have the same case scenario, okay? Automotive excellence, 51 Google reviews, the full information, and here is the video that we also posted a couple days ago, okay? All right, so now here we go to the Google My Business page. Again, all the queries that they search for in order to find them. And this shop is in Northern California and Rohnert Park. And they got 230 people that found them directly for a business name or address. The other one's discovery, customers who find your listing searching for a category, product, or service. In this case, auto repair, auto service, whatever the case might be. And they really emphasize businesses with recent photos typically receive more clicks to their website post photos, okay? And 38 visited the website, 35 requested directions, 39 called them. Now, this is a very small town in Northern California, so it's not a great volume. Lastly, otherwise this video is going to be about 30 minutes long. I don't want to bore you. Same case scenario. Posted a video right at the top of the business page instead of a static graphic, added the proper image plus the information, for the story of the business, description of the business, okay? Added the photos, added videos. Like, this is a perfect case in point also. This one has been pinned to the top of the page since April 5th. And you're not paying for that. Yeah, of course. If you really want to target customers, eventually, we can also start an advertising campaign, which compared to anything else is very minimal the cost, and it's quite effective because you are targeting only the customers that you want in the areas that you want, by zip code or whatever the case might be. Here again, in the Google My Business knowledge panel, all the information, a video that we added not too long ago, reviews from the web, from Facebook, and so on and so forth, okay? So that's another one. But if we go to the page, here we are again, okay? All the queries, all the different keywords they used to find them, 247 of them. 181 found them directly by the business name or address, again. 39 visited the website, 37 requested directions, 40 called. And they are in a small town in Katy, Texas also. So as you can see, the results are unbelievable. Okay, and you are not paying per click, you are not paying for space in Facebook to put your videos. It's just a matter of doing it right and optimizing all the listings and creating the proper videos.